I'm Hock Meng, a registered real estate salesperson and a commercial drone pilot. I'm showcasing you the Bayshore GLS site. In March 2025, the Seaside consortium dropped a record $658.89 million or $1,388 PSF per PPR to secure this crown jewel. This is the first private GLS site in a brand new Bayshore precinct and is about to redefine luxury living. Now watch this. Right in front here is the actual site. The Bayshore MRT station is on the Thomson East Coast line. It's literally at your doorstep. Follow the line north. The track connects you directly to the RTS link at Woodlands North when it opens in somewhere end 2026, early 2027. In the near future, you can also hop on to the train here and be at Johor's Bukit Jaga station with seamless immigration. To the left just now, you can see Bayshore Park and Costa del Sol. And right now, you can see the established landed enclaves of Lucky Heights and Sand. This site sits in a sweet spot. You can get unblocked views of landed estates and high floor sea views of East Coast, all within the master plan 10,000 home precinct. You can also be at East Coast Parkway within 15 minutes drive on to the Changi Airport or the CBD. Seaside's $1,388 PSF per PPR bid isn't just a number, it's a massive vote of confidence in the Long Island future of Singapore. Looking for real estate marketing collaborations using drones? Get in touch with me. My contacts are shown later. Like this video, do hit the subscribe and notification bells for instant updates of upcoming GLS site visit tours. Thank you and have a good day ahead.